Hello, I'm David Lewis with your sales tip of the week. If you're looking to get an untruthful answer from your customer, the qualifying question of asking them for their budget is one way to make that happen. And it's loaded with pressure and will put the customer on guard, most likely bringing you an answer that is much less than the real budget they have in mind. And why wouldn't it? If you asked me that question and my budget was, let's say, $400, I would probably say it was $300 in the hopes that it would make you give me the lowest price you could on a vehicle I liked. Whatever your intentions are for asking this question, it will send you in the wrong direction, searching for a vehicle to fit that budget. By doing so, you will show them cars that are below what they're looking for and waste a lot of time in the process. Asking the budget question will cause you to either downsell them and show them cars below what they're looking for, or cut your price on what they want in an attempt to meet their stated payment budget. The best way to avoid this from happening is to never ask the budget question in the first place. It is not something you need to know in order to help your customers find the vehicle they are really looking to purchase. All you need to know is if they want a newer used car and then a coupe, sedan, minivan, utility vehicle, truck, and then take them out on the lot and show them those cars. You'll be amazed that they will actually pick the one that they like the best, and the price doesn't matter, and it will fit into their budget, and their defenses will be lower. Good luck, everyone, and please be safe.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.